Good morning, guys. It's been a minute. We're back in Manila. I had a flight from Puerto Princesa back here yesterday, and today is the big day. Today's the deciding day. Today's the day I go and see if I can get my camera fixed. There are lots of camera shops in Manila, so I have a good chance of getting it fixed today. I've said my prayers, the rest is down to God. I'm heading over now to Dong's camera repair shop. It's about a 30-minute drive. I'm gonna just take a grab amazingly cheap here. About 400 pesos, which is about £5 for the grab there. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, guys. Alright guys, we made it to like the main city. It's so busy here. My grab driver like went the wrong way like twice. I had to just tell him like it's okay. He was an old guy. I think he didn't know what to do. Until he was panicking, so I just said, yo, drop me out here, I'll walk the rest. 5-minute walk. This is the busiest place I've seen in Philippines so far. Guys, I don't even know where I'm at right now. I'm smelling durian, I'm smelling all kinds of things. There's so many markets and vendors here. I'm in the heart of the city right now. Alright guys, we just left the first camera shop. Unfortunately, they didn't have the part to fix the camera. But he did let me know what the issue was. It's an LCD flex and apparently it's really common. So I'm heading to another camera store right now. Hopefully they have it. Guys, I'm entering some crazy place. Some warehouse going up some stairs. Apparently the shop is here. Couldn't get it fixed. Most of the guys just said, try to take it to the Sony service center. But this place has been pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. But one thing about Filipinos, they see a black person, they're gonna give you a fist bump. They're gonna give you a fist bump. I feel like a celebrity over here. Every time I'm walking through, I've had like 5 LeBrons, a couple Michael Jordans. It's insane. Alright guys, I'm really trying for this camera. In the tiniest tuk-tuk I've ever seen. In my driver. So smooth. My little feet. Alright guys, so just left the Sony store. It's not too good. They said that it's gonna take a while, like 2 weeks. You have to send it to the main office. Yeah, a bit of a wasted day, like 6 hours. I'm not really sure what to do. I think I'm gonna just have to keep doing it this style. It's not really the same. As inclined to bring out my phone every time and start talking and stuff. So perhaps in Singapore we can get it done. But even so, I don't think I'm in one place long enough for them to fix the camera. I think they just need more time. So is this the end of the Asia adventures? I don't know. Is this the end? It very well may be. Okay guys, so back in the hotel, and I think today is the point that I have to just accept the fact that I'm not gonna get my camera fixed until I go back to the UK. So I'm gonna just fully commit to the camera vlogs. I thought it was gonna be temporary. I'm gonna have to try and get a phone tripod, because right now you guys are on the fridge and you're behind in front of a microwave. So it's not too easy, but I think with the tripod it'll help a lot. Yeah, it sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It does really hurt. But the whole reason behind this channel anyways was to just document my time in Asia and just give you guys the full, raw, uncut, everything. So this is as honest as it gets. Quality might be a little bit different, but that's just what you got to deal with. And yeah, right now I think everyone is going to the pool in the hotel, so I'll join them. Gonna just relax a little bit, let off a little bit of steam, because it was a very frustrating day. Well, guys, I'm just tired. I'm tired. Ah! All right, yeah. I'm gonna go to some. I think we're gonna go to a night market later to get some food. So I'll take you guys with me. No effort. Alright guys, this is a good Turon. See it glistening? We're in Intramuros right now. Got a nice Turon, glistening. It's big. Look at that first bite. For those who don't know, Turon is like a fried banana, like in a pastry. Sometimes it's plantain as well. So let's see. That's an upgraded banana fritter. This one is plantain. Amazing. Sweet, crunchy, sugary. What more do you need?
Oh my god.
That's the Turon was so good, it just had to grab one himself.
That's a good one. Let me just get a quick flick.
Bam! Camera got eat first.
Alright, take a bite. Crisp is crazy. Bro. That was a big bite. That's a 10 out of 10, bro.
Yup.
That's the best Turon we've had so far. That is really good. Look at it. The way it's caramelized, bro. Nah. Good stuff.
We know.
Don't be a stranger.
Without you, my friend.
Alright guys, just checked out the hotel. We're going to the biggest mall in Asia today. MOA. Apparently this mall is like huge. Biggest mall in the entirety of Asia. Arcade floor, every single shop you can think of. And I can't wait. Right now we're just grabbing a coffee. Got some donuts coming, we're gonna give them a little try. We've got original glaze and a Bavarian cream. I'm excited for that Bavarian cream. These are the two donuts. We got the original glazed. We got the Bavarian cream. Let's go with that original first. It's pretty good. It's good. It's got more of a cakey texture than like a Krispy Kreme. Like it's more fluffy. But you know, Krispy Kremes have that like that shell. It doesn't have that. It's more like You know, like a lemon drizzle cake when it has the sugar on top? It's like that. I like it. Solid 6 out of 10. Now this is the main one. This is the one I really wanted to try. Bavarian cream. Nice work on top. Let's get this. Good. Beautiful. Cold cream, dark chocolate on the top. Same fluffiness. This is the one to get. The original is good, this one's better. You need to try this. Guys, this is pretty cool. They've got the National Bookstore here, and if you look at like the front wall, it's all made from books that have been like stuck together, and they're real books. You can actually see like the pages. Yeah, you can see the pages here, and there's a lot of books. You know, this is so crazy. I'm sure there's some stuff that you can probably recognize here. Very cool. Alright guys, we're in the SM hypermarket right now. Oh, you can't go that way. SM hypermarket, I just bought some polverone to take back. It's like a really short bread. Different flavors, classic, cashew, eBay, cookies and cream. So good. Guys, this market is huge, massive. It's like a Costco type place, you know? They've got literally everything. They have a mini cell around the corner. They have a food court down the end once you finish shopping. This is really a hyper store. You guys can't guess my favorite color by now. I don't know what's going on. SM bag with Turon. I love Turon. Guys, they celebrate Christmas early in the Philippines. We just got to September and Christmas trees are up. Alright guys, after like an hour and a half, we've made it to the second floor. It was like an hour and a half? How long did it take?
Yeah, bro, it took
2 hours. I got a really nice shirt from this store called Turon. It's a Philippines polo shirt. Everything's embroidered for about £13. So pretty good. This is the banh mi. It just can't even wait. It just already.
Chinese burger tacos. Is this it?
Bro, is this the whole? Okay. How you feeling right now?
I can't believe this. I was told we would have to drive cars to just go around this arcade.
This is it. It's the smallest arcade.
Maybe there's a bigger arcade.
Alright guys, so we were told that the arcade was huge, a whole floor, and we literally walked through the whole arcade in 10 seconds. Idris is now checking. This guy wanted to go to arcade so bad. He's now checking if there's like another arcade in the mall.
See if it's there, man. Socials.
Guys, I haven't seen one of these since I don't know when. You have these in Mackey's?
Okay, are we ready?
Are you ready?
Wait, I'm not. Are you not gonna put it in this? That's cheating. You have to do it at the same time.
Woo.
Bobby, you ready? 3, 2,
Do it,
1, go. Oh. Don't intervene.
Oh, they touch.
Mine's gonna go in first. Mine went in first. First, the best.
This mall is huge. There's like a whole other section I just didn't explore. It's massive. You just walk past the cinema. It's right there. I'm gonna get copyright strikes for that. But trying to find the surplus, which is essentially a store that sells branded clothes, but it's just excess and surplus for like half the price. So found it. Right, just a reference of the price in this place. This is a Ralph Lauren sweater for 700 pesos, which is about £10. In 2K Max, that will run you £40. So surplus is pretty good, but there's just like not that much interesting stuff. It's kind of just all like plain basics. If you need essentials, it's a good place.
Yuzu and ice cream with soda water.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is gonna be so bad.
You think it's gonna be lame?
No, bad. Guys, you're telling me that soda water and ice cream is gonna be nice. Come on.
And some yuzu syrup.
Easy syrup. You're gonna mix it up?
I'm excited.
I'm interested.
This looks good. This looks creamy.
Alright.
I can't even taste the ice cream. It literally just tastes like yuzu soda, like a lemonade.
Oh, it's not like creamy or anything?
Nope, literally just a lemonade. It's like there's no point in even putting ice cream in there.
Damn.
Yeah.
Here we go. You sure you mixed them, man? Bro, 100. When you first take the sip, it's like a little bit of like, a tiny bit of like, like
Creamy
dairy
ice cream, yeah. Yeah, the smallest amount though.
I feel like it's nice.
Yeah.
I feel like it does bring down the aggressiveness of like the yuzu.
Yeah.
I feel like the creaminess is there. It coats like your tongue. It is there. It's there. It's there. Solid. You know, solid 6.5. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, I was gonna give it a 6.
Yeah.
Pretty average.
Alright guys, finishing the mall. Successful shopping, ended it in Uniqlo. Got some funky socks. As you can see, they got the Christmas lights up here in September. Mo, we're done. Guys, what do you think of Mall of Asia?
Oh my god, we came here when it was daylight and now it's night time. Guys, honestly, it's fat. My feet hurt. We got some good stuff though, but it was just a long day. The food court was nice though.
Yeah,
I like
nice.
the food court.
Ria, what do you think of Mall of Asia? You got a lot of bags on you.
I do. I shopped till I dropped, and I'm dropping now. It was great. I can't wait to show everyone a haul.
Oh,
It was large, but you know what? The arcade was really disappointing. You let us down with that. You let us down.
I recommend Culture. Is that what it's called? Culture with a K?
Cultura.
Oh, how do you say it?
Cultura.
Cultura.
Yeah,
that
Cultura
was good.
That's my favorite.
If you want to get some good like Filipino souvenirs, go there, and they have some really nice gifts for people as well that aren't necessarily like Philippines.
Subtle.
Oh my god,
Subtle.
that was such a good shop.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Idris, how'd you find Mall of Asia?
Mall of Asia. My god, this place is massive. Guys, this is the 6th largest mall in the world. 6th. Like, isn't that just insane? I can't lie, my whole body's finished. We looked at so many clothes. There's like an endless amount, and I'm pretty sure we touched like 30% of the shop. So, guys, you have to visit. You have to visit.